Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. I just wanted to give a quick thank you to all the new subscribers. We just passed the 20 subscriber mark, which may seem like a drop in the ocean, but just wanted to give some tiny good news. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing and ring the bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video, which is every Saturday. Enjoy. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is making a steel wool fire. So I actually got this idea off of the King of Random. They made like a steel wool fire out of steel wool, obviously, and basically all you do is get steel wool, touch it, and it makes like a little tiny fire. We're gonna try to do what the King of Random did, but just on a much smaller scale. Okay, so the steel wool has to be grade 0000. It can't be any of the other ones. I don't know why. I remember in the video they tried doing, I think 1 or 2 or 3, one of the other ones, but it didn't work as much, I guess because it wasn't as fine as this one. So I just got the same one as they did that worked. So yeah, let's see if we can get something cool. So I got this little glass plate. If you hear anything in the background, by the way, it's raining like crazy. Okay, let's just keep it tiny. Let's try it. Let's just try it this small first. Okay, got the batteries. Fingers crossed this does not do anything to my desk or do anything bad or cause too much of a fire. I've never done this, so okay. Oh snap. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's tiny. The flame is tiny. Hold on. Here you can see it with the light off. Oh, it's going. It's going. Oh my goodness, it's actually kind of hot. Okay, yeah, that definitely stinks. Definitely stinks. I just hope this isn't bad to breathe, because if it is, I'm in a room, so I'm screwed. Okay, let's try to do it one more time. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like different colors to it. So this is like darker, and then this one is like a faded gray. It's not hot, but still kind of scared to touch it. All right, this is the bottom side. This one's small, and I'm gonna try to do one with more in the jar that I did the giant Orbeez. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave it somewhere up here. I don't know where. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit more of these and then put them in here, but actually like spread it out so we can probably get a good reaction. Okay, so spread it out, put a couple of the steel wool bunches, I guess, in here. I don't know if this is a bad idea. I just hope that it looks cool. Okay, so if it's, I don't know, let's just see. Well, I can tell you that it stinks. The jar is pretty warm. It's warm. It's warm when you touch it. I just don't want it to burn me. Let me know if this is bad to breathe or if it's bad to even be touching, because I have no clue. Let's get a little bit more. Let's try to pack it all the way in. Let's try to use this whole thing, or not this whole thing. I might want to do some other videos with it. Let me know if you want to see something else done with this, but let's try to get a good amount in there. I thought there would be a bigger reaction, or like it would burn up faster. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions, or if I'm doing this wrong, or if you see that I'm using the wrong battery or the wrong grade, let me know. I'll leave a link to the original video from the King of Random in the link in the link description below. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.